Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Hope you guys are doing well. I forgot to film an intro to this vlog, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an intro, welcoming you into this shop with me. It's going to be my last Aritzia shop with me for the year, which is fun. It wasn't even intentional. I didn't plan to do it. I was having a little fun mother-daughter day with my mummies, and I went into Aritzia Markville because they specifically had the BABATON Barreau pants that sold out like in an instant when they first came out, and I really liked them. I thought they were so freaking cute that when I saw they had them in stock, because I really wanted to try them on, I figured, okay, these are too good not to show you guys like what they look like on the body. So I decided to film for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this little shop with me, but let's get to it. Okay, I came in for these pants specifically because they are like the Reformation looking ones, but I think they're a little bit cheaper. They're still $168, so they're quite pricey. They said that they do fit large, so I grabbed a 4 and I grabbed a 6 just to try, and it also comes in black, and then they also have one that has like the black lining, but then I feel like that's really boring. So because I have so many black pants, I grabbed the gray and this camel to try on for you guys, and I'll give it a go. Oh, and in case you want to know, it's the Barreau, and it's a BABATON item. And then there is like a matching blazer, but I think I might skip out on the blazer. I really wish that they actually had a vest, because I think I would gel with a vest really well. God, there is a vest here, so I'm gonna try it on. They're actually different grays. This one's heather dark gray and the pants is heather medium gray. So I think I'm gonna put them back just because they're not the same, or maybe I'll just try them on for fun. I feel like this is new. I have not seen this before. It's called Smokes, and it's like a crepe material, and there's a zipper, which is kind of fun. It's like a different take. It's like a blazer-esque jacket thing. This is also different if you like the super puff. I'm wearing the super puff long right now, but this is like a different type of puff. It's not as puffy, and it's called the powder dry long. I like the color. Very Olivia Rodrigo core, I feel like. The new Izzy, like this little detail is really very, very cute, and it has this little Sunday Best butterfly emblem, and it's so cute. Like, look at it. It's like enameled, very cute. Comes in black. What's the black have? Let's see. It doesn't have anything on the bottom. Oh, I forgot. So here, that's the sweater, and then I don't know if I showed you the vest. Yeah, just in case. And then there's this one. And then there's also, sorry, my filming is horrendous right now. There's this one as well. For my Tech Bro Girl starters, here is a line for you. It's called the Gondola. It also comes in this color. And if you're interested, it comes in this, which I feel like you guys might like. Very Tech Bro. Harley used to have a vest like this, and he'd look so cute in it, and he'd look like a little tech bro. Maddie's not in today, so I've been banished, and I'm just joking. But I'm in this room today, and I'm wearing these pants. These are from Aritzia. They're really long, so I tucked them into my New Balance 530s. And then I have this tank top on. It's from Uniqlo, wearing a size small. These are medium. And then this is the Lululemon Define cropped in, I think it's espresso brown, and I love it. I'm wearing a size 8 in this. I love it. I like it a little bit bigger, so I would recommend sizing up from what you normally wear. But anyways, let's give those things a try. Okay, so this is the Contour from BABATON mock neck. I'm wearing a size medium. And then here's the pants in actually a size 4. They are still loose, so I might ask them to grab me a 2 just to see how they work a little bit. But like, I feel like if I eat, then they will kind of be a little bit more comfortable, because if I go any higher, this crotch area is not that comfortable. So this is the brown. This is in the Seville, right? It's in Seville. It's called the Barreau pant. And then I don't know, I think I don't even think I'll need to try on the 6, but I'll try the 6 just so you guys can see. But they are bigger, so I would say I'm more closer to size 6 these days. I think these pants just fit large. Here's the gray color, which I think I like a lot more, but this is a size 6 and they are really massive. You can see that they're just they're just not fitting as nicely. I'll have to get them cropped because like they're giving that balloon effect, and I definitely need them cropped a little bit because I am 5'4", so I'm not the tallest chick around. But yeah, they're a little too loose. I'm gonna ask them for a 2. And then again, here's the 4 again, just in case you are wondering. I just love this. I think it's so funny. This little flap. Here's the size 2. They do fit, but I'm gonna go with the 4 because if you can see, I don't know if you can see, I don't know. It's like real in my crack, okay? I don't love that. Here's that vest. I don't like the vest. I think it needs to be like this, where it's the star of the show. And this is a size 4, the vest, guys, which is crazy because I own the white one and I have a size 10. So I might have to get that taken in. It's probably like super baggy on me now. Here's the size 10 curio vest on me now. Oh my gosh. I'm going to need to get it hemmed. I feel like it'll be fine if I get mine hemmed because I have a size 10 at home and I'd still like to wear it. Trying on this sweater, I thought it was very like Suzanne-y, very like romantic. I don't know the name of it, so I'm gonna have to tell you guys afterwards, but I'm wearing a size small and this rose color is very Alex coded. Well, it's not exactly the pink she'd go for, but I feel like she would look really good in it. I don't think it's picking up. It's like very muted looking, but in person it's like really magenta. So this was it, it's dark rose. And also trying this. This is very cute. I love the taupe color. I'm pretty sure this is a size medium or small. Let me look it up. It's Sunday Best. It's the Lottie and it's a size small. I think I try this every year and then I never buy it, but I really like it. Okay, the goods have been secured, but I have a little bit of a story time. All right, so I'm looking for luggage, but I was shopping with my mother, so we're having a little MD, you know, mother-daughter shopping date, and me and my mom in Aritzia split apart, so we were like not shopping together at the time, and somebody, the short little Pinoy girl, was very mean to my mommy. Like, what the heck? All right, obviously I am now home, not at the mall anymore. I also I did my skincare, so I look a little bit oily, but as I was saying, so I was having a little MD day with my mummies and her and I like separated because like I was shopping, she was shopping, I was filming, I was doing my own thing. I said, Mums, gives me a little bit of space so I can do my little shop with me. And she was like, cool, cool, cool. So she went and she was looking at like the TNA section. She's having a really big sweat fleece moment at this moment in her life. She's like, that's her era right now. And so she saw this little crop sweat fleece item that she wanted, and she asked one of the girls on the floor like, hey, do you guys have this in a size small? The girl looked at her. She was very short with my mummies. She was like, it's whatever we have on the floor. And my mom was like, okay, girl, what the heck? So she scurried back to me because she was like kind of distraught. Listen, my mom is a Canto's mom. She's like, what the hell is going on? Okay. So yeah, her English, maybe not the best, but I'm pretty sure she was conveying, and she's like the sweetest little lady. Okay. I'm pretty sure she was conveying proper English, being like, hey, do you have this in a size small? Anyway, she was distraught because that was the first time she's ever had like a mean Aritzia girl. I'm just saying, ain't nobody safe in the trenches out there. Okay. Everyone can have a mean Aritzia girl. So she came back to me being like, what the hell happened? Anyways, so I just wanted to give you guys that story because I'm just saying, ain't nobody safe in the trenches out there. But that was her first like mean Aritzia encounter, and she was just like flabbergasted because she was like, what the hell is going on? Okay, so I'm just gonna end this vlog because I'm gonna share with you guys what I got. Obviously picked up the pants. You guys already know what they look like. I got them in the gray because I think it's the best colorway. The tan looks okay, but I really like the gray. So I got the gray, and then I also need them to get hemmed, so I'm gonna have to take them in. And then I also got the mock neck. I'm stupid. I really meant to buy a long sleeve black item today. Like I went in being like, I need a long sleeve black shirt, like just a plain one. Totally forgot. I'll have to go back later in the new year. But those are the 2 items I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this little shop with me. I hope you enjoy our last shop with me for the year. And if I don't see you before Christmas, have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I will see you after. Bye!